Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how you can use Visual Studio to add Azure AD to an existing ASP Core web app. First we open Visual Studio. I already have opened it. I'm going to use the same project I used in the previous video. Next we click on Open Project Solution. The name of my project is Great Cinema. We open it. Next we click on Publish. And then we go to Connected Services. And then we click on Authentication with Azure Active Directory. We click on it. We say, okay, we want, because the second option is like if you have like an API and you want people to authenticate to that API. But for now, we're going to use a web app version. So we click on Next. We say, okay, create a new Azure AD application. We need to select our domain. We click on Next. And we click on Finished. This will generate some files. It will also try to generate a new startup.cs file. So we click on Yes. And it also will open the documentation. Do be aware, I also have experienced the same thing. You will have some errors. So first we need to install some packages that's missing, because the Visual Studio team did a nice thing by creating this template, but it isn't completely working. So first you go to, we need to add some NuGet packages. I will also point out the names of the NuGet packages in this summary. So if you need those, you can get them from there. The first package we need is this one, the VisualStudio.Web.BrowserLink. We go to it, we install it, click on Install, Accept. The second package we need is this one. We need the 3.1.10 version. Click on Install, Accept. The next thing we need to do, we need to change one line of code. It's located in the startup.cs. And this line 35. We change it by adding one of the options. Hopefully if we now start it, it will run. And it's gonna go very fast to log in. As you can see, it goes for Microsoft and it is logged in right now. But it would be fine if we would see some of the results. So like a username, something like that. We can add that by going to this GitHub URL. It's one of the documentation projects where there's some code available we can use. You need to have the content of this file. So first we go back, we go to Views, Shared, click on Add, say Add new item. We need to have a razor page. The name we need to have is this one. It's going to be a partial clause. So yeah, paste it in. We add it. Next, we need to go back to the GitHub. We copy this part. We paste it in. See, that's good. And the last thing we need to do is we're going to go back to the GitHub. We need to go to this file, the layout file. And we copy, let's check it out. We need to copy this line 20. We go back to Visual Studio. We go back and we need to paste it here. When we start it again, And as you can see now, you see some data. You see, hey, you see my full username in Azure. And that was it. That's how easy it is to add Azure AD to your ASP web app through Visual Studio. Do be aware you have a different version. That's when creating the web app. You can initially put in the check mark to add Azure AD. That one I also used that that way, and that was actually quite easier than this way, because now you need to add the NuGet packages and also do some additional things. And with the initial version, you don't need to do that. But maybe you can check that one out. Well, thank you for watching, and please like, share, subscribe, and have a nice day.